we're going to do the Pledge of Allegiance first. Make sure that you're facing the flag. Which hand goes over our heart? Right or left?
Right.
Right, over our heart. All right, attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Pause for a moment of silence. All right, let's do the Bennettsville Pledge. It is up there on the wall. Okay? Attention, salute, pledge. This day has been given to me. I will be the best I can be. Climbing the rainbow up so high, I can do it if I try. All right, take a seat for me. All right, I want you to get out your workbook that has this on the side. It says Vol 1. So I want this book, and it has the number 1 on it, okay? That one. I'll get your books. That one. That one right there. That one says Vol 1. This one. Here's yours. When you open up your book, let's see, you should be, we are starting on 1-7. So we are on page 29. The little boy with your 10 frames. Little boy with your 10 frames, page 29. Thank you, Stephanie. Thank you, Sophia. Sophia, put it down so we can write on it, okay? All right, make sure you're on page 29. Remember, it has the little boy. I think it's the little plant and the 10 frame, page 29. Stephanie.
Isaiah.
Yeah, Isaiah won't be here.
What's your name, sir? Josiah. Isaiah's not here.
He's digital only.
He's now, okay.
All right, let's look up number 1. Which number completes the equation? We got 6 plus blank equals 12. If you watched the video yesterday, we noticed that we could use our counters. Okay? Okay, hold on just a second. Let me show you how you have to use your counters, okay? I'm going to start with a red counter. My red is going to be 6, okay? So I know that I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, how many counters do I need in total? I need 12 counters altogether, but I don't know how many blue ones I need. So what I am going to do, I'm going to use my 6 and start at 7. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Remember, that's my total number, right? So now I need to count how many blue I have. So let's count how many blue I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many blue do I have?
6.
I have 6. So I know my number right there will be 6. I have 6 red and 6 blue. If I add them together, that gives me 12. JC has 10 baseball cards. Raul has 4 baseball cards. How many fewer cards does Raul have than JC? Important words I need to know or understand are how many fewer. So I'm going to do what, Major? I'm going to take away. I'm not going to add because I don't want to know how many more, how many total. I need to know what the difference between them are. My biggest number is how many? 10. So I'm going to do 10. Take away what number? 4. What is 10 take away 4? Look, I can take it and I can make my hand. It's, let's try it again. Let's pound 4. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's my number?
6.
6. So 10 take away 4 is 6. All right, let's look at this one. Which shapes have fewer than 4 straight lines or straight sides? All right, it says how much? It says fewer than 4. So I need, what's my number underneath 4? Let's look at our number line. What is my number underneath 4? So I've got my 4 right here. You see my 4? What's my number underneath? 3. So I can do 3, 2, or 1. Okay. So let's look. How many sides does this one have?
3.
This one? A square? That one has 4. Am I going to use that one?
No.
Because it says fewer than 4. How many sides does this one have?
3.
3. Okay. How many sides does this one have?
8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many does the bottom one have?
3.
All right, so which 2 am I going to pick? The 2 triangles, right? They have how many sides?
3.
They have 3. Kayla has 19 oranges. She gives 9 oranges to her brother. How many oranges does Kayla have left?
10.
So how many do we have all together? How much? How many oranges do I have total?
19.
I have 19. How many oranges did she give to her brother?
9.
9. All right, now I want you to show your work. So I want you to use counters. I got 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. How many do I need to take away? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I need to figure out how many I have. How many I have left? So let's count them.
10.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
how many do I have left?
10.
10. Awesome job, guys. Let me erase the board real quick. Hold on. Alright, so this is going to be the page that you have open in your book. So page 29, right? 29. 14 ladybugs are on a leaf. 6 ladybugs fly away. How can thinking about 10 help you find how many ladybugs are left? So I want you to reread the question to yourself real quick. I want you to think about it. I want you to come up with an answer. I want you to think about it. Alright, so let's come together again. So how can we use 10 to help us find how many ladybugs are left? Okay? Well, we can use our, what are these called? Our counters, but what are these called? They're called 10 frames, right? So we can use them. Alright, I know. How many do I have total? 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many flew away? How many ladybugs flew away? 6. So I'm going to do what? 1, 2, 3. So now how many do I have left?
8.
I have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job.
Find 13 minus 7. You can use 10 to help you subtract. 13 minus 7 equals. There are 2 ways to use 10 to help you subtract. One way is to start with 7 and add 3 to get to 10. Next, add 3 more to make 13. 7 plus 6 equals 13. So, 13 minus 7 equals 6.
I added 6 to 7 to make 13.
Another way is to start with 13 and subtract 3 to get to 10. Since 3 plus 4 equals 7, subtract 4 more. So, 13 minus 7 equals 6. I subtracted 7 and have 6 left.
Alright, so did you see what they done? They subtracted 7 and they have 6 left. So it's kind of like like how we done with the like leapfrog thing that we used, right? All right, I want you to turn the page. I know it is very difficult to see, guys, and we're just gonna have to try to manage through it, okay? We are going to be on page 30, okay? Ms. Fuller's gonna try to make this page 30.
30.
All right, make a 10 to subtract. Use counters and your work mat, okay? So what we are going to do, first add to get to 10, okay? What that means, I'm going to take my number, which is 8, and I have how many counters do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 counters, right? How many counters do I need to make it to 10?
2.
I only need 2. So I'm going to go, okay? 1, 2. So now I have how many?
10.
10. Now I need to make it to what number though?
15.
Need to make it to 15. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Over here it shows us that I have my 8 red counters, right?
Yes.
And my 2 other counters to make 10, right? Then how many more counters do I need to add to 10? How many counters do I have there? I have 5. So I have my 10, but I also have my 5 to make it 15. Now, to find out what 15 take away 8 is, I can just count the counters that I added on there, right? So now I can count all these black ones. So I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do I have?
7.
I have 7. So now I know that 8 plus 7 equals 15. Okay, let's go to number 2. All right, first subtract to get to 10. All right, so we got to subtract now. So how many do I need to subtract from these right here? So right here, if I look at these two these two 10 frames, how many do I need to take away from 16 to make it 10?
6.
How many?
6.
6. So I need to take 6 away. So 16 take away 6 equals,
10.
so that would be this frame right here, right? All right, what is 10 take away what number equals 9? 1. So I'm only going to take 1 away. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can make it a little bit bigger for y'all. But if you look right here, they have the little X's on there for you to see. You see them? All right. So now I need to figure out what's 16 minus 7. Well, I took away the 6 right here, right? So that was these, right? And then I took away the 1. Okay? So I done the 16, take away 6, and I made it my 10. Okay? Got it. Then I had to take how many away?
1.
To make it 9. So now I need to figure out what is 16 take away 7. So 16 take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, So now what can I do with all these other red dots? What can I do? I can count them. Great job, Major. I can count them to give me my answer, right? So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is my answer? 9. Okay? All right, what I want you to do, we are going to do your independent practice now. So we were on page, we were on page 30 and we done this page. Okay, this is the guided practice that we done together. I want you to go now to page 31 and I want you to complete them. Okay? Make a 10 to subtract. Use your counters in your work map. So I want you to use the counters that are in your map toolbox. There should be red and yellow counters in your toolbox. What number are you, Sophie? 14. What number are you, Major? All right, so go ahead and get started. Miss Bullard's going to come around.